Hi, let's see how we can actually create a list and upload our subscribers, import our subscribers into the list, and we see what all other features list has. So as soon as you log in, you see the dashboard. Just go to here and then click on the list. You see the or if you have created already a list, you can see the list here. If you're a very first time user, and then you won't see any list, and then you have to straight away go here and click on create a new. Before we're going to create a new list, I would like to give you a brief about, we just created one list here. It has a 0 subscribers. You can see here 0 subscribers. And you can see other features. You can see the overview of the list, and you can create the same copy of the same list, and you can edit it, or you can import if you would like to any data, or if you can archive it. Archive is nothing but when you have so many lists, and if you don't want to get confused about the list names here, just hit the archive, so it will be here. It won't appear here in the active list. You can delete it. So let's first, if you want to see the what other features we have within this list, so you can either click on overview, or else you can just click on unique ID. So this is overview. Here you can see the subscribers. We have a 0 subscribers. If you have any subscribers, if you hit here, it shows you the list of the subscribers and segments. If you would like to create a number of segments within this list, like say example, you have a roles, you just want to split these, entire list into the users who are decision makers, like our C-level users, our chief executive officers, are the founders, co-founders, and then you can create the segmentation. Custom fields, any list you create, it will have a default 3 columns. One is email, this is compulsory, you can't edit anything here. Second one is first name, and third one is last name. You can make, they are required, compulsory or not, by just choosing yes or no, and you can make them visible or hidden. And sort order is nothing but, say example, if you want this email to be a first, appear to be a first, you can make it 0. So what is mean by sort order, we will see it. So these are the fields. If you would like to add more fields, you can add more fields. Okay, so you just need to hit the field, that's it. You can add as many fields that you want, and you can name the label, and you can write the help text, which is going to be within like this. So let's delete it. And then now let's move on to the other features. Let's see the pages. Here this graph just gives you, indicates a couple of you know indicates that how many confirmed subscribers you have, unconfirmed subscribers, blacklisted and bonuses subscribers, and all this stuff. So, and then let's move on to the pages. Pages are nothing but, just now we discussed about this form, right? The of columns and all. So you just created a column, just create a list. List comes with by default 3 columns: email, first name, and last name. You can actually preview it. So this is how it looks. So if you embed this form in your WordPress or any HTML, or in your Shopify or any of your website, users will see these 3 columns. This is compulsory email, first name, last name, they have to enter. Then the moment when they hit the subscribe button, then we display the one subscribed message. You can see that message here, subscription confirmed. So they get this kind of page. These are different pages. You can either show this page. If you don't like this page, and simply you can actually redirect user to the any specific page that you have, so after certain seconds. And if you don't like the look and feel of this page, and then you can add custom assets like CSS, and you can add custom webhooks and all this stuff. So if you don't know how to play with this, you simply can ask our customer support, or you can simply submit the support tickets. We will help you to get this thing done. So you don't need to worry too much about this. So you have a lot of stuff here. So a lot of forms and all, just you can try it out. And now let's move on to the second thing, how you going to embed that, the form that I shown to you. So you need a code to embed, right? That code you will find it here in the forms. So this is the code. You have to simply take this code and put in your HTML website or WordPress or Shopify, any kind of website if you have, you just need to put it over there. See, we have created for AdCrux one list. Here we made only email is compulsory. So if users type something here and hit the subscribe button, this email will be landing straight away in our list. Same similar, if you have any a blog or any WordPress or any WooCommerce or Shopify, you can insert this code snippet simply, there. So you will be seeing that thing. Say example, just copy it. I have an online editor, hit here and then just run it. You can see form. That's it. So this form can be, you can edit this form the way you want it. The look and feel, you can change everything. You have a simple iframe also. So you can define the width the way you want, and then you can insert this from anywhere. And we are launching even PHP, SDK, software development kit. So you can actually have sky's the limit. You can customize it the way you want it. So this is how this um forms help us. Coming to the tools, in the tools you will see import, export and copy. Import is nothing but you can import CSV. As of now we are supporting CSV and text formats and SQL formats. And export, you can export the data into the CSV if you would like to. If you have any subscribed customers here, opt-in or double opt-in. Copy is nothing but if you have any users and you want to copy this user to the another list, you can use this feature. Let's see now import, because I would like to start marketing AdTech. So I would like to import certain data. Just click here and click on CSV file. So let me import the CSV file. So here I have a CSV file, I'm importing it. Just click on OK. It has a different columns. Now, if you see, I shown you the existing list, it has only 3 columns, but now I'm uploading another CSV which has a lot of columns, and now you will see that it is going to add those columns automatically. And this CSV, this is how it's going to work. It's going to upload, the file should not exceed more than 100 MB, and it upload a certain amount of columns, at every 10 seconds. So let's see, when hit you upload file, and then it will start uploading the data. So it's going to upload at one go 1,000 records. Total 1,000 records is going to upload 300 records at one go. We're almost done. 59% is completed. Done. So the import process has finished. So now back to the import options. If you still would like to import any CSV or text database, you can do. Let's go back to your list. It's done. So we got now 1,000 subscribers. When you hit here, you can see all your subscribers here. So you can see the subscriber ID and the status confirmed. By default is going to be confirmed. The role and website and address, area, city, all these columns, WhatsApp number, phone number, email ID, all these columns automatically got created, first name and last name. You got it. So this is how these columns got created. So now if you see even the if you see here custom fields, we have 13 fields: email and WhatsApp number and the phone number, category, result, and all this role, whatever the columns there in the list, we are able to see those columns here. And then you can see even the form, this form is going to be now much bigger. Now it's not anymore the same form that we have tested a while ago. And now you can see the form is much bigger. So you need to simply insert this form wherever you want. If you would like to collect the same information from the, your website, it's that simple to play around with the list. So if you now want to create a list, the same list, just click on create, just give the name and the display name, description. So you don't need to now choose opt in or opt out. If any subscriber subscribes, if you want to send welcome email, you can choose the yes, and subscriber not found anything, and then you can redirect him to the this website. We have wrote here the directions so that you don't need to worry. You can simply read these and understand things pretty well. And if you need a subscriber your approval, and then make it yes. If you don't need any subscriber your approval, and then just yes, means whenever they subscribe to that account, that list, they straight away get confirmed. You don't need to manually go and confirm the list. So that we will explain in other session. The notifications, like if you get a new subscriber or unsubscriber, you want to get any notification, you just give our email ID, and then for subscriptions we'll get a notification to this email. For unsubscriptions, you will get notification to this email. In future, if anyone, these are the subscriber actions, like if when a subscriber will subscribe into this list, if he exists in any of these lists below, unsubscribe him from them. So if you want to subscribe any user existed, you know in this list, and then just check them. If you don't want to make any action, and then just leave it the same, similar like this. You can uncheck and check the list. These are the list that you have created already. So, and then you have to enter the company details, industry, website, and just save, and then it will take you to the this page. And then to import the data, and you simply need to hit here and then click on the tools. Then you can start importing and exporting the data. It is that simple. Thank you.